What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got my Arrma Kraton V5 and the Notorious V5. What I want to do today, I want to run both of my Arrma rigs and see which one I like better on this particular running spot. You know what I'm saying? Because certain ones run better on certain spot areas, and I want to see which one of these can dominate my usual bash spot. Starting off, with the Kraton. Whoa! As I lowered the suspension, so it's going to flip a lot more. There's a lot of dog do out here too. I better be careful. Yo, this thing is a monster on 4X. This on 4S right now, but with the Kraton, 6S is where it's at on this. I mean, I'm killing it on 4S too, but on 6S, this thing is really a beast. I think the Notorious, I believe the Notorious is better on 4S. But we'll see. Yeah, this thing is crazy. I think something is stuck in it. forever with this. But let's pull out the Notorious. Now for the Notorious. Whoa. This is definitely a stunt truck. These tires holding up pretty good too. Man, I love these cars. Definitely two different kinds of vehicles. Low voltage cut. Ho, ho, ho. How's the low voltage cut with this battery? That's impossible, didn't it? Oh, no, this ain't. Okay. Yeah, that's it. I didn't get to really do my thing. So I got these cracked batteries in here. Yo, both of these cars is tons of fun. It depends on how you want to drive. This is more of a stunt truck. The Notorious is like a stunt truck. So, you know, you can hold wheelies, do some nice back flips, you know, standing still back flips. This car is a lots of fun. It's more your racing truggy, you know, off-road, tearing it up out, you know, tearing up the terrain type truck. Both of them are great. You know, as for the Notorious, it gets a 10. Got good handling, nice and stable, durable. So is the Kraton. Both these cars, Notorious, get a 10. Kraton gets a 10. No, I really ain't no comparison. It's just I wanted to run both of them, you know, back to back just to see how it rides on this, how different they ride. They ride so different. They ride so much different. You wouldn't think so, but they ride. This is a truggy, this is a stunt truck. So they ride so different than each other. But as always, hit that like button, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'm out.